We got this far not because we were walking in darkness. We got this far because we let our light shine. And there is no one that can say that they can meet Christina Olivo or Naomi Blemur and say they didn't let their light shine. There's a special glow about these women.
Yes.
Today, we celebrate our historic campaign. It represents so much more than just an election. It represents the triumph of all the women who have fought for women's rights to vote. It represents the triumph of all minorities who often feel marginalized and silenced. Our campaign represents the triumphs of over 500,000 Haitian-Americans living here in the state of Florida. It represents the triumph of all single mothers who fight every day to provide a good life for their children. It represents the triumph of 1 out of 4 women living here in America who has a loved one serving time in state or federal prison. Our campaign represents the triumph of integrity, honesty, faith, and conviction, all of which I embody. This has been an uphill battle. Nevertheless, I am and I have overcome it all. I might have not won the seat tonight, but I won the support of millions of Floridians. I promise you that the battle is not over. I will continue fighting for you every single day to create a better future for you, your family, and mine. We will see what the future holds. But one thing's for sure, Naomi Esther Blemur is here to stay, and I'm not going anywhere. Thank you. Thank you so very much.